This videos is amazing, right? Guess what? You can create videos like this too, in just a few simple steps. Introducing pippit.ai is your smart creative agent, powered by CapCut. It is designed to streamline and enhance your content production process. The tool is designed for SMBs, product-based and service-based, solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, educators, marketers, affiliates, creators in creating content so you can focus on growing your business and personal brand. So, let's not waste any more time. Let's dive in. First, head over to pippit.ai, the official website. The link is available in the description below and in the comments section. To get started, click on Sign Up at the top right. You can either use your email or sign up with Google for a faster experience. Your free account is ready and you're in the Pippit dashboard. Now let's explore what you can do inside pippit.ai. On the left side, you'll find a variety of powerful tools like Home, Video Generator, Image Studio, Inspiration, Avatars, Voice, and many more. Let's start with the Home section, where everything begins. Inside Home, you'll find multiple smart content tools including Marketing Video, Avatar Video, AI Talking, AI Design, Product Photo, and Product Showcase. It's an all-in-one creative hub where you can build professional content in minutes. Let's take one example, Product Showcase. Click here to select the type of video you want to create. Then, select a character from here. If you don't like any of the available characters, you can upload your own image here. Click here to upload your product. You can also click here to use a sample product photo. After that, click on Action Details. You can also type your custom action here. If you want to add a voice, click on Voice Over, then select a voice from the options. Now, type what you want the character to say about your product. Once everything is set, click Generate, and within seconds, you get a clean, stunning marketing photo. Now, 3 photos will be shown here. You can save them from here and also view them. Select one photo and click on Generate. Within seconds, your product photo will be converted into a video.
This jacket combines premium quality with timeless style, perfect for every season.
Want to create viral product videos without using a camera? What if you could show your product in action on real-looking models with just one image? Now let's check out one of the most pipowerful tools inside Pippit, the virtual TryOn video feature. There are many characters here. Choose one. Now upload a product image like a dress, a shirt, or any fashion item. Write a script, select a voice, and click Generate. In a few seconds, Pippit will create 3 photos of your product. Select one and click Generate again. After a few seconds, your video will be ready.
This dress is very nice and very comfortable. You can create product videos like this using pippit.ai. The link to pippit.ai is in the video description.
No need for models, no photography studio, no editing tools. It's effortless, fast, and looks completely real. So, what are you waiting for? Use my exclusive link below to sign up and grab 45% off with promo code pippit45OFF. Link in the description and pinned comment. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI content, and tell me in the comments, what product would you try first?